Welcome to my YouTube channel Biology by Khalil Mirani. Let's learn about bio and its major divisions. What is biology? The word biology derived from Greek language. It consists of two words. One is bios, it means life, and other is logos, it means study or reasoning. It means biology is the study about the living things. What are the major divisions of the biology? Previously, there were two divisions of the biology, botany and zoology. Now, in recent biology, there are three divisions. Third one is microbiology. What is botany? It is the study about plants. And what is zoology? It is the study about animals. And what is microbiology? It is the study about microbes or microscopic organisms is known as microbiology. Microscopic organisms means the living organisms that we cannot see with our naked eyes, but we can see them with the help of microscope, and their study is known as microbiology. For example, bacteria and viruses, these are the microbes. Now let's discuss about the branches of the biology. Anatomy. Ana means up and tom means cut. Anatomy, it is the study about internal structure of living organisms. It is known as anatomy. The study about internal structure of the living organisms is called anatomy. Anatomy is also a Greek word. Let's see the example of anatomy. This is the structure of heart. Heart is an internal organ of the living organism. Its study is known as anatomy. Anatomy means study about internal organs of the living organisms. Morphology. Morpho means form. It means the study about external structure, form, shape or appearance of living organism, that is known as morphology. Structure of flower, sepals, petals, carpels, these are the external organs of the flower, so their study is known as morphology. Cytology, it is the study about cell organelles, their structure and composition. It is also known as cell biology. This is the structure of cell. These are the cell organelles: cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, DNA, endoplasmic reticulum. Study about these organelles and the cell, their structure, composition, that study is known as cytology or cell biology. Physiology, it is also a Greek word. Physios means nature. Physiology is the study about different functions that occur in the body of living organisms. For example, respiration, digestion, circulation of the blood, these all the process occurred in the body of living organisms, so their study is known as physiology. Taxonomy it is also Greek word taken from taxis and nomos. Taxis means arrangement and nomos means naming. It is the study about naming, classification and arrangement of organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities, that is known as taxonomy. Genetics, it is the study about heredity and variation. What is heredity? The characters that are transferred from parents to offspring. that is known as heredity, and variation, the offspring vary in the characters, that is known as variation. Variation means difference in the characters. The offspring of any living organism all are not similar to each other. There is difference in different characters. That difference is known as variation. Histology, histos means tissues, logy, logos, it means study. So it is the study about tissues. Study about tissues is known as histology. Examples: muscular tissues, connective tissues, these are the animal tissues. Xylem and phloem are the plant tissues. Connective, epithelial, muscle tissues, nervous tissues, these are all the animal tissues. Their study is known as histology. Embryology, it is the study about embryo and series of developmental changes into an embryo up to new individual formed. That study is known as embryology. Developmental changes in the embryo up to a new individual is formed. That study is known as embryology. Ecology, it is also Greek word taken from oikos, which means home. It is the study about interaction between living and non-living, that is known as ecology. It is also called environmental biology. Example, these are the different kinds of populations living in any area, that is known as environment. This is also interaction between living and non-living, that is known as ecosystem. Water is non-living, air is non-living, soil is non-living. These living organisms are interacting with these all the abiotic components, that is known as ecology. Paleontology is the study of history of life on earth as based on fossils. What are the fossils? Fossils are the remains of plants, animals, fungi, bacteria and single-celled living things that have been replaced by rock material or impression of organism preserved in rocks. A study about fossils is known as paleontology. A study about fossils of plant, that is known as paleobotany, and the study about fossils of animals, that is known as paleozoology. Biotechnology, it is the branch of biology deals with the use of living organisms to make useful products for welfare of mankind. That branch of biology is known as biotechnology. Tissue culture, cloning, genetic engineering, these are all the branches of biotechnology. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.